Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the Pocket Casts application. So let's get started right away. Now, if you open up the Pocket Casts application and log into your account, then you can check within the settings. However, you will not find any option to change your application language. However, if you are using an Android device, then simply open up your phone settings and then tap on the search box and then search for language. Now, from the language menu, go ahead and tap on App Languages. Once you access the App Languages option, you will find the Pocket Casts application underneath within the list. Just tap on the application and now you can choose from the various languages that are available for your device. Just tap on whichever language you prefer to use for the application and this language will be set for the app right away. And now you can come back to this menu at any time that you wish in order to change back to the language that you prefer. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the Pocket Casts application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.